Welcome to this 30-day marketing plan for a premium mooncake brand. This video explores a system to create, capture, convert, and retain demand. Consider how each tool performs a specific job at the right moment, keeping economic constraints in mind. Even a sellout campaign can fail if it consumes too much margin. Successful campaigns need careful planning to ensure cash flow, not just attributed revenue. We will look at what decisions managers must change to ensure profitability. Attention alone is not business value. A campaign must drive a sequence from customer acquisition to revenue and repeat purchases. Every tool we discuss must contribute to this chain of value. Seasonal campaigns are unforgiving. With a 30-day window, you must balance the product offer, premium gift boxes, against challenges like creating pre-peak demand and protecting margins while you scale. Your objective is a value chain. Create, capture, convert, record, retarget, and repeat. A broken handoff between these stages will weaken the entire campaign. Recognize that B2C gifting and B2B procurement are two distinct situations. They require different journeys, as corporate buyers focus on volume and service, while consumers prioritize personal connections. Here are illustrative benchmarks for your 30-day plan. Remember, these are targets, not forecasts. Always recalibrate based on your actual price margin and incoming response data. Understand the roles of media. Paid and earned media provide speed and credibility, while owned media, your website and CRM, provides the control needed for long-term customer relationships. The winning strategy effectively combines search and discovery. Search captures existing intent, while discovery creates new demand. Connect these two journeys instead of letting them compete. We are looking at 10 coordinated tools. Do not allocate budget equally. Allocate by job and stage. Your goal is a balanced ecosystem, where discovery, search, conversion, and retention work together. Your website and landing page are for converting qualified traffic. Test your setup by asking, can the customer understand, trust, and order without unnecessary effort? For SEO, your architecture must capture organic intent. Does each specific search query lead the user to the page most capable of resolving that intent? In paid search, focus on high-intent demand. Bid based on contribution and conversion, not just click volume. The ultimate test is whether your keywords produce profitable orders. Content marketing should educate and build trust. Use a mix of guidance, product demonstration, and social proof. Aim for assets that serve multiple stages of the funnel. Finally, use social commerce to create discovery and shorten the path to purchase. Measure success by qualified clicks and orders, rather than reach alone. Creator, KOC, and affiliate marketing helps borrow trust to generate accountable sales. You should prioritize relevant micro-creators, use unique tracking codes to measure impact, and constantly compare their conversion rates against the cost per order. Email, CRM, and automation allow you to retain customers and recover timing-sensitive demand. Use early bird value to activate prior customers, send timely gifting reminders, and request reviews to gather data for future relationships. Display and retargeting tools help recover qualified non-buyers. Retarget landing page visitors. Use video views or cart abandonment signals to trigger reminders. And control frequency to avoid annoying potential customers while excluding recent buyers. Marketplace ads and retail media help capture demand close to purchase. Optimize product titles, search ads, and vouchers. Use bundles and live streams to drive action, always comparing platform ROAS with your true contribution after all fees. Mobile messaging and conversation convert uncertainty into confident action. Use these channels to advise on flavors, quote corporate orders, and measure response time. It's often the fastest way to remove a final barrier to purchase. This is your 30-day execution roadmap. 4 phases allow you to manage the campaign effectively: building assets, creating and capturing demand, converting attention, and finally, optimizing performance. Days 1 through 7 are for building your foundation. Research your personas and keywords. Set up your landing pages with tracking pixels, and produce the necessary content. Don't buy attention until your infrastructure is ready. Days 8 through 14 are for creating attention and capturing intent. Launch your discovery content, seed affiliate codes with micro-creators, and begin paid search campaigns for high-intent, transactional, and corporate keywords. From days 15 to 22, focus on converting demand. Activate marketplace ads and bundles. Use live streams for urgency and demonstration, and ensure your CRM and retargeting efforts are fully active. In the final week, days 23 through 30, you must optimize and scale. Pause anything with high customer acquisition costs. Double down on the top 20% of performers, and push hard with cart recovery and CRM follow-up. When allocating your budget, start with a diverse hypothesis. As you learn, reallocate funds from day 15 onward. Cut what doesn't work, protect your best tests, and scale the winners that produce real contribution. Your CEO dashboard must focus on contribution. Remember, high ROAS doesn't always mean high profit. Track your metrics from clicks and conversions through to net revenue, after accounting for all costs and fees. To summarize, build a single system, not isolated channels. Understand that discovery creates demand, while search captures it. Remember that traffic is only useful if it converts, and always scale based on contribution, not just vanity metrics. Keep this in mind for every campaign. Discovery creates demand, search captures the demand, the store converts that demand, and CRM retains the customer. 10 tools only work when they function as one system. Finally, consider the hard question. If selling every box reduces the contribution of each additional order, should you still scale? Model this across customer lifetime value, capacity, and strategic impact to make the right choice.